Yeah, hi, Krishna Raj.
Hi, sir. Shivani this side.
From Chandak, right?
Chandak. Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes,
just
sir.
a second, just a second. Yeah, Cornerstone. Can you tell me more about the project?
Sure, sir. We have a configuration of 2 BHK and 4 BHK, that is Jodi of 2 BHK, with the carpet area of 586 till 35th floor. This is the carpet area of 2 BHK. And 784 from 36th floor, because we have the balcony apartment from
2
36th floor to
BHK
40th.
586 is a little bit compact, no? It's you don't have a more spacious configuration.
So we
But
have,
I'm interested in 3 BHK, but even there, I think what you're saying is slightly compact.
So we do have the extended carpet also, but for that you need to talk to sales manager. And we have a balcony apartment also in that in which we are giving the 784 carpet area.
784.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Will you just tell me the RERA number?
So actually it's a RERA number only.
It's a RERA registered project, right?
Yes, sir.
No, so you have the RERA number handy?
No, sir. We don't have it right now.
Okay, no problem. Cornerstone, no? Let me see.
Yes.
Cornerstone. Cornerstone. Promoter name Sadguru. It is Sri Sadguru JV, joint venture. There are 3 cornerstones. It is not Ojas Corporation and it is not Sai Parshva, I think. I think Sadguru is the one. Sri Sadguru. It's a joint venture. And,
no, sir, it's not.
Yeah? Is
do you want me to share the details on WhatsApp if you want?
Yeah, share the details on WhatsApp, but I think we are talking about the same thing. We are talking about Cornerstone, Sri Sadguru. Okay, just say, if you tell me send me the RERA number or send me the details, then I will be able to confirm that we are talking about the same thing.
Sure, sir. We'll WhatsApp you right now.
Okay, because I am not seeing Chandak here. I am seeing Sadguru. But I think we are talking about the same property.
So actually not. We'll share the WhatsApp detail once you see this and call me.
Yeah, on WhatsApp you will have these things also, no? The RERA number and all that you will have on that.
Sir, I'll just check and get back to you.
Okay, send me. Because let me confirm what we are talking about. My WhatsApp number is 816-947-1229.
Just hold for a second.
816-947.
947.
1229.
I'll just repeat. 816-947-1229.
Correct.
Okay, sure, sir. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Bye.
Hello.
Atish, hi.
Hi, Krishna sir. Hi. How are you, sir?
Very fine. Thank you.
How
about you? Having a good day?
Yeah. Actually, not so much because
Why?
I have to supervise it.
Acha. Okay.
Yeah. No, but rest is good. Tell me, sir. So you spoke to my team member.
I spoke to your team member and she had called me and I wanted to check out on RERA. Now, when I searched on RERA, I found 3 entities called Cornerstone. Right. And one was Sri Sadguru and other 2 were something else.
Okay.
So finally, of course, you gave me the RERA number so I could find the thing. Now, only one point of concern, 1 or 2 points of concern that I have. I checked on RERA.
Okay.
It is not mentioning Chandak anywhere here on RERA. I'm searching for a document. You see, on the main RERA, it is saying Sri Sadguru and Deluxe Joint Venture.
Right.
And Deluxe Laboratories and Numec Development and Allied Services Private Limited.
Correct.
Okay, so these are 2 different things. And Sri Sadguru seems to have been the guy who originally took I think it was an SRA project or something?
Yes.
So he took the SRA project and, then it's been in the making a long time, SRA project. Now
not making, sir, the clearances took very long for him and he was finding it difficult to get the paperwork done. that is where Chandak came into the picture.
Now,
So
see,
yeah.
normally when Chandak comes into the picture, any builder comes into the picture, I would expect to see an MOU, revenue sharing, something like that.
Right.
I looked everywhere. I looked high and low on the RERA website. I'm not finding a single place where Chandak is entering the picture and has entered into an MOU or revenue sharing arrangement or even a marketing arrangement. And then I said, chalo, theek hai, it must be there in the, at least it will be, we are entering into agreement. So
Yes,
agreement
yes.
format pro forma mein hoga. But on RERA, the thing I'm seeing, there is no agreement pro forma uploaded and there is only a letter by again Sri Sadguru and Deluxe joint venture, which is saying that it will enter into an agreement with various allottees and it will be according to RERA Act and all that. So again, there is no, where is Chandak in all this? That is the main concern.
So now, when the clearances had taken place back a few years back, so that is when everything had happened under the previous developers and the construction workers and the landowners.
Right.
So Chandak had to continue with the same name. But now when the agreement happens, so that is where you will see Chandak.
But I'm not seeing Chandak anywhere on RERA.
Right.
Anywhere means anywhere. Even for that matter, there was an order which was passed by Apex Grievance Redressal Committee, Mantralaya. Okay, and that also is in favor of Sadguru and Deluxe joint venture.
Right.
So I'm not seeing. See, there was another Chandak project which I looked at in Goregaon. Where you see that he has entered only in 2020 and there is an MOU with the previous landowners. Ready.
Yes. Yes.
So there you see, okay, Chandak has entered in March 2020. Fine. So now it's a Chandak project, even if the Chandak name is not mentioned anywhere. But
so you saw that Chandak entered in 2020 in Goregaon, right?
In Goregaon, yeah.
In 2020, correct?
Yeah, March 2020.
When in originality, sir, that guy has entered in RERA, in that land because I've sold a few flats there. So I know.
No, his project starts back in 2005 and 2009 ke kuch LOI.
No, wo to alag hai. Chandak entered in 2013 there.
But where is एक उसका नाम नहीं है तो how do I know it's a Chandak project?
No, because sir, even that Chandak Stella which you checked online in Goregaon, so even there, once he completed the project in 2020 and he received the OC, after that he had made all the changes. However, here, if you want to see something on paper, so I'll just check with the management there and I'll get you something, or if it's okay with you, if you could visit the site. So I'll make sure that when you are there, we have something on the paper to show you that they have entered into agreement.
I prefer to come there after I do all my homework here.
Right.
So if you can send me some document which shows that I am going to, ideally if you can send me the pro forma agreement.
Dealing with Chandak and not someone else.
Correct.
You want to know that.
Ideally I want a pro forma agreement where I probably will be dealing with Chandak because we are buying it as a Chandak property.
Correct.
It is being marketed as a Chandak property and that is the branding. Otherwise, Reddy kaun hai, Sadguru kaun hai, who cares? I won't even look at it twice. If somebody marketed it to me saying Sadguru property, I am saying who is Sadguru? So you go for it because of the name. Because, okay, this guy is standing behind it. This builder is standing behind it. So I don't see other than, I'm not seeing anywhere at all on RERA. So kuch to do yaar. Ideally give me a agreement pro forma, which will show,
fine.
which will show that we are entering into dealing with Chandak.
Fine, sir. If this is your requirement, I'll get it done. I'll get them something on the paper, either the agreement of the landowners or the previous developer in Chandak or our agreement draft.
No, ideally it should be, IOD, CC, everything has not been issued in favor of Chandak. Correct. All the papers are in favor of Sadguru and Deluxe.
Right.
Okay. And there is no pro forma of agreement uploaded on RERA. Right. The agreement of sale or allotment letter. We are not seeing any of that. So, I don't want it to be just marketed by Chandak and...
No. I
There
understand.
has to be a deeper involvement.
Absolutely.
There has to be some kind of a deeper involvement where at which stage he is not in the land, he is not in the investor, he is not in the co-promoter, joint promoter, कोई कहीं भी नहीं है.
I agree. ठीक है. If you have this concern, so give me a date. In fact, sir, can we connect say after an hour's time again?
No issues. Send you.
Is that okay by 7:30?
Perfectly. Call me.
हाँ, I'll get this in order and I'll get back to you.
ठीक है.
फिर ही हम फिर प्रोडक्ट की बात करते हैं. Let's
ठीक है. फिर प्रोडक्ट की बात करते हैं. Right, you.
Yeah, of course. Okay.
चलो.
Yeah.
Bye. Yeah, Atish.
Hello.
Hi.
Yes, sir. So I spoke to the guy, the site manager, and he told me that Sri Sadguru and Deluxe, that is the sister company of Chandak. They have made the sister company for the tax benefits. For taxation.
Sadguru is not a sister company. Sadguru is the guy, is the early guy who
so it was
took the
always with
SRA. Okay.
Yes. So, sir, this was always with Chandak only. So only to wait those taxes, and he had this option, so he created this.
Okay, fair enough. I'll accept it.
And they also have the documentation to show that. So I checked that.
See, can you show me? Can you help me to believe this? The reason is...
Yes, sir. But he told me that he won't be able to share it over the mail or WhatsApp. But if you're on site, they'll show us the documentation.
No, I don't trust any paper that you're going to show me and say, you can see this, but you can't take it. I don't trust that.
You can click a picture, sir. When you're on site, but I cannot share it.
Fair enough. Listen. I don't trust that kind of papers. I don't trust these bootleg papers. Tum dekho ye wo. Okay,
sir,
see, Sadguru is hear me out. See, Sri Sadguru, as I understood, does not belong to, as far as I understand, Sadguru is not the same as Chandak.
Right.
As far as I understand, Deluxe Laboratories is also not the same as Chandak, and Numec is also not the same as Chandak. Now, Sri Sadguru was a proprietorship, if I understand correctly. There have been then somebody else became a partner and stopped being a partner, and then his family became partners in that, and then this guy named Sadguru died.
Right.
This is how I understood it. Okay. Now, I don't see Numec as being Chandak, and I don't see Chandak, and I don't see anyone being Chandak. Okay. Now, if you want to tell me that, for example, Chandak bought these concerns, you can buy a going concern. Okay.
Right.
You will have to give me something to believe you that is as legit as some being on paper on RERA, man.
Right. Okay, sir. Just hold on for a sec. I'll take the site manager only online.
Sure.
Okay. And let's ask if you would be comfortable sharing
Sure.
over WhatsApp.
I don't see why you shouldn't. If he's legit bought a company or something.
Yeah, just one second. I'll connect him on.
Sure.
आपण ज्या व्यक्तीशी बोलत आहात त्या व्यक्तीनं आपला कॉल होल्डवर ठेवला आहे. जिस व्यक्ति से आप बात कर रहे हैं उसने अभी आपकी कॉल को होल्ड पर रखा है. The person you are speaking with has put your call on hold. आपण ज्या व्यक्तीशी बोलत आहात त्या व्यक्तीनं आपला कॉल होल्डवर ठेवला आहे. जिस व्यक्ति से आप बात कर रहे हैं उसने अभी आपकी कॉल को होल्ड पर रखा है. The person you are speaking with has put your call on hold. आपण ज्या व्यक्तीशी बोलत आहात त्या व्यक्तीनं आपला कॉल होल्डवर.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi.
1 second. I'll call you in 1 minute. Acha, he called. 1 second.
Okay.
आपण ज्या व्यक्तीशी बोलत आहात त्या व्यक्तीनं आपला कॉल होल्डवर ठेवला आहे. जिस व्यक्ति से आप बात कर रहे हैं उसने अभी आपकी कॉल को होल्ड पर.
Hello, Harshad. Hi, Krishna sir is online. So he had some queries here about because he checked all the documentations on RERA and nothing mentions Chandak. So he's just curious.
Hello, sir.
Harshad, hi.
What did you find in the RERA, sir? Hello.
Harshad, hi. Okay, so here's the thing. See, when you search, if you search Chandak, you don't find this thing. You get, if you search Cornerstone, then you get 3 projects. Finally, if you use the RERA number, you land up on this project called Cornerstone by Sri Sadguru and Deluxe joint venture.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
I looked everywhere in RERA. Usually, you will find if it's a joint venture between Chandak and say Sadguru, or Chandak and say Numec, or Chandak
right.
and say Deluxe. Any of these entities, you are going to come to Sadguru. There will be an MOU somewhere. I would expect to see an MOU, a revenue sharing agreement, or something where Chandak is mentioned. If nothing else, I would expect to see Chandak's website URL or their official email ID. The one that is registered with Registrar of Companies with ROC, indicating that this is in Chandak's control.
Okay.
So I am not seeing any sign of Chandak anywhere, and I thought, चलो agreement में होगा. तो देखा तो agreement uploaded नहीं है. The agreement or the allotment letter pro forma is not uploaded here, and what you are seeing here is a letter by Sri Sadguru and Deluxe JV saying that we will agreement of sale will be executed with various allottees, etc., etc. Now, Sri Sadguru is mentioned, Deluxe is mentioned, Numec Group is mentioned. All these are different entities. But to the best of my understanding, none of them is Chandak as an entity.
Okay.
So I am just looking for one sign of Chandak somewhere. I am not finding.
Sir, let me tell you, sir.
Yeah.
The Sri Sadguru is the sister company of Chandak only. Hello?
Tell me.
Yeah, it's a sister company of Chandak only. So because of, some taxation issue, these people, put their different name. I mean, if I'm an employee of Chandak, but, I'm getting salary from the different name. Like, for example, I'm getting from the Sadguru, or my colleague getting the salary from the Deluxe. I'm just giving the example.
I understand.
Part of the Chandak only. It's a sister company just to save the taxes. Like,
okay, I understand, and I would like to believe you. I know all this stuff, and I know this happens, and they start a LLP, concerns and whatnot. I completely agree with you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
However, I am looking for some sign of Chandak in this sister company anywhere. I'll give you one example. See, in many of these companies which they open, the directors will not be from the group company. Nothing will be there. You won't see anything, but you will see only one thing. You will see that the company secretary who handles it, his email ID, which you will find in common with all the other Chandak concerns. Okay. Wo company secretary ka milega, so you will know, this is Chandak. It is the same as in other things. Same thing you will find it in ROC, for example.
Okay.
ROC website mein, if we find this thing, then we will say, okay, chalo, same ROC email ID, registered email ID, therefore group company. These are some of the tricks we use to identify, chalo, theek hai yaar, it is, Chandak. Here, there is absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing, not even one sign. Now, if you can point me one sign on this, if I can find one thing which, see, IODCC is not in Chandak's name. Nothing is in Chandak's name. Abhi ek cheez ho to aap bata do na.
Sir, hello?
Bolo.
Sir, you visit the site. I will show you everything. Whatever the doubt and the query you have, sir.
I do my homework before I go to any place here.
See, I've already give you that, brief on that sister company, and whatever the query you have, you can visit. I have whatever the document, because see, the document on mobile, we cannot share. You have to visit, sir. I will definitely help you. Whatever the query, definitely will fulfill.
Listen. ये खोपचे में आओ, मैं तुमको दिखाऊंगा kind of thing. It's not a legitimate way of doing business, na.
I agree, sir. I agree with you. But the thing is that the RERA is mentioned. Everything is a shada.
So it is supposed to be transparent on RERA, man. It's supposed to be transparent on RERA, no?
It's transparent on RERA. It's written the name.
But you are marketing as Chandak. You are marketing as Chandak. Okay.
Yes.
But there is absolutely nothing that points towards Chandak. But it's you are saying it's Chandak. Now, so you are telling RERA, look, you are telling RERA one thing, you are showing RERA one face, and you are showing the customer another face. Okay. Now I am just trying to reconcile the two faces. If there is a single thing that says Chandak on RERA, then I will be satisfied. Now, for example, in Sri Sadguru, for example, the concern Sri Sadguru, suppose it was purchased by Chandak. Okay. Then and it is it's not a secret deal. It's not an underground deal. It's pretty legit. You can buy a going concern. Okay. So Birla can buy a Tata concern. It's not a problem. But then what you will have is, this entity is owned by Chandak. You just have to show me that. Deluxe, if it is owned by Chandak, you just show me that. So give me something which is legit. Don't show me something which, okay, you have to believe it, sir. You have come over here, now we are showing you something.
I will show it everything. Whatever the query, I will fulfill, sir. I'm not telling you that whatever I am speaking with you. Hello?
I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to, waste my time coming over there and doing all that. Don't do that.
Sir, what do you want me to send the details?
Simply convince me. I want one very simple. I have a very, very simple question for you. You are calling this a Chandak project.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
It's not seen on RERA. Just send me a document. Ideally, if it is there on RERA and I have missed seeing it, then send it to me. If it is not there on RERA, but it is, for example, something that establishes Chandak ownership of Sri Sadguru or of Deluxe or of both, send me that. So whatever, or NUMEC. NUMEC I know is a different group.
Different group, yeah. It's a JV with the NUMEC, right, sir?
Correct. So NUMEC is not the same group. So send me something which indicates that Chandak is the promoter. That's all I'm asking here. It's a very simple ask.
Okay, I understood your query, sir. I'll just get back to you with the same one, whatever the document you require. I'll send it to you.
Sure.
Let's check once, Harshad. Just talk to the proper authority one.
Ask legal or someone.
I'll speak with my legal department and I'll get back to you, sir.
Yeah. Legal will surely have it.
Yeah, definitely.
Sir, they have it. The only matter is of sharing it over WhatsApp or email.
But they have it. Look, listen. It's not like that. If you are selling me something, then legitimately you would be having it, and it has to be legitimate. It cannot be a sort of a black transaction or a hidden transaction.
No, of course not. I get your point.
So sharing it on email, sharing it on WhatsApp, etc., should not be an issue. That's not how you do business here. Not in 2021.
So to be honest, even I'm facing this concern for the first time, and even I'll get to learn something, I'm sure. So either the legal department will tell me that so and so is the reason why we cannot share it on WhatsApp, and I'll get that to you, the reason to you, or if they agree to send it, so anyway, I'll send it.
You don't have to share it on WhatsApp. What you can do is, go to ROC site. You will see this. This indicates that this is the body that has been purchased. You can point me in the direction of what document you find, which is in public domain.
Correct.
Okay. I am willing to convince myself, but then you have to show me. You have to point me in that direction.
Fine. So let's do that. Give me a couple of days time, a day or two.
Okay.
Most likely I'll revert by tomorrow. Harshad?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. I'll have to see. Tomorrow I'll discuss, because the evening time. So tomorrow I'll discuss with them.
Yeah, of course.
And as soon as possible, I'll revert you, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Nice.
Let's do it.
Okay. Chalo, thanks.
Yeah.
Bye.
And Krishna sir, sorry. Okay, Harshad, thank you.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Done. Chalo, bye.
Krishna sir.
Yes, Atish.
Hi. So we will get back to tomorrow. So secondly, where do you stay currently?
Borivali. Raja.
Borivali.
Yep.
Oh, okay. So it's so are you looking for investment purpose or personal use?
Yeah, investment.
Investment only. I am assuming you are into some legal department of some company, or you?
No, I don't. I'm not from a legal background. I do have some exposure to legal.
Expertise.
I have some exposure to it. Okay, I've been burned a couple of times, so I have a sense of what is.
I am sure, sir, because I don't see any reason to be so concerned about all the clearances.
Yeah.
Because as I told you that we sold multiple in the fund when these questions arose.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. So that is.
I see, when you do corporate dealings, you have to know who you are dealing with. So in corporate, all these things happen. I understand. Okay, I know what is business as usual, but I need to be reassured that what I'm buying is, I'm going to be entering into agreement ultimately with Chandak.
Correct. I know. I agree. I'll look into it. And secondly, I think you're associated with some classes or education.
No. I'm associated I'm in publishing. I'm a journalist.
Jain.
I'm a journalist.
Journalist.
That's
right. Okay. So you associated with which company?
Publishing? No. I publish. Published a lot of Chamber of Commerce material.
Oh, okay. Right. So let's. So give me a day's time. Probably most likely by tomorrow evening only I'll get back to you.
ठीक है.
Then we can get a product.
ठीक है. Sure.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Bye.
You too, sir. Bye.
Yeah, Atish, hi.
Yeah, hi, sir. Tell me.
Okay, so your people haven't gotten back in touch with me. So am I understanding that there isn't any further information on that?
No. Yeah. So, no, I have the information. Actually, I was in a meeting, so
Okay.
I thought I'd just call you on
no problem.
So now that I'm done, yeah, sir, we have to visit. They have the papers in place, but they are saying that they are not in the position to share it online.
Okay.
So that is So it's your.
No, so here's the thing. You are selling it as Chandak. You are marketing it as Chandak. On RERA, there is not a hint of Chandak.
Sir, it is.
And you are telling me that you can't even send me a shred of document because it's very, very confidential and it's something that one has to see, not said. Is it?
Sir, see, this is as it is. It's your call now, sir. Whether you want to visit and see the papers, so it's your decision now.
Fair.
Because I cannot. I am not in a position to argue or make
fair
a decision.
Fair enough.
Yeah,
okay, it's not your
decision.
decision.
They
it's
have
not your
all
decision.
the papers. Yeah, of course. And neither the legal department is there that the owners have this protocol and they have to follow that.
No issues at all.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
let me take a call.
Whatever it is.
Chalo.
Yeah, sure.
Bye.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Bye.
हाँ आतिश बोलो.
Krishna. Oh, we just spoke. Right.
Yeah.
I just kept my mind. So see, what I was telling you, so see, they launched on Friday, I think, right? Today is Wednesday. In 5 days, they've booked almost 17-18 apartments.
That's great.
So, sir, no, I'm not great, तो ठीक है.
Okay.
My point being, sir, many of those people verify all the documents, sir, and I'm sure, sir, भले वो 2 करोड़ हो या 20 करोड़ हो. People will never buy anything unless they verify all the papers. And you are not the first
I differ on something. I differ on some.
No. I'm just saying you are not the first person to bring up this point.
Correct.
अगर वो agreement, because when they book the apartment, उनके भी सामने agreement आता है. Right? When they sign the paper, उसपे when there is no name of Chandak, they also raise this question. But again, then they present the documents on site, or then they take the call.
Let me make it very simple here. A pro forma agreement should have been uploaded on RERA. It isn't.
Sir, if it was a legal requirement, they would have done it.
It is a legal requirement, my brother. It is a legal requirement. Just read the RERA Act. Okay? It is a legal requirement. You guys are skipping it. Now, if you skip it for a good reason, maybe there is a reason. So one cannot be blamed for thinking there is a reason. Now, if there isn't a reason, then okay, you can solve this whole thing by just sending me the front page, the first page of a registered agreement pro forma. First page. That's all I ask. Okay. You just have to take a click of that first page of the registered agreement pro forma, which should be there on RERA in any case. Send it to me. That's it. Sorted.
So see,
obviously, it will be, maybe it is Chandak is in collaboration with Sadhguru, whatever, Deluxe, Numec, whatever. Okay. So, Sir Chandak will probably figure in that. Okay. He's going to figure as partner, promoter, joint promoter, or whatever, in whatever capacity, landowner, I don't know, whatever capacity, but he would figure in that, no?
Right.
It's very simple. It would have the whole narration thing, where you know what's the, what is Sadhguru vis-a-vis Numac, vis-a-vis Deluxe, vis-a-vis Chandak. Everything is very clearly mentioned in the agreement. So भेज दो ना भैया. Why the confusion?
मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ, why in fact they will only share, वो आपको बताएंगे. देखो सर, बुकिंग के पहले वो आपको बताएंगे. अगर हम सर जी अभी वो अगर आपको ऐसा लग ही रहा है तो I'm not in a position to ask you to or insist even.
Correct.
मैं सिर्फ आपको रिक्वेस्ट कर सकता हूँ सर, अगर आप आएंगे तो मैं आपको दिखा दूंगा. इफ नॉट तो मैं आपको नहीं, अगर भेजना होता सर मैं आपको इतना फोन ही नहीं करता. मैं फर्स्ट कॉल पे आपको
नहीं, बराबर है. आई एग्री विथ यू. सो आई नो इट इज नॉट योर कॉल, सो आई एम नॉट इंसिस्टिंग ऑन यू पर्सनली. इट इज नॉट योर कॉल.
अगेन सर, वन लास्ट थिंग कि इट इज नॉट illegal, that I can assure you. आप बोल रहे हो ना कि ये लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट है, तो नहीं है सर. ये I can vouch for it.
ठीक है, we can have an argument on that here. We can have an argument on that, because if I tell you that I am the buyer and yet in no way is the entity related to me, okay, it comes to you from an American account, and I tell you I am the buyer, then you will say, "Arey, आपका how is this happening? Are you owning a company?" I'll say, "No, वो सब छोड़ो ना यार. I'm here as a buyer. I'm giving you a check. The check will come to you from a guy in US called Ed Sheeran. You say, Ed Sheeran का आपके क्या लेना देना? I said, tension छोड़ो ना यार. It's not illegal. I don't know. That's not how the law works. Okay. That's not how the law works. I think things have to be simple, visible, and transparent. Should be produced on demand. Some things have to be produced on demand. If that is not there, it's okay. I am not the enforcement authority. Who am I to question you?
See, again, I produce that on demand, just not over the. मैंने आपको ये भी ऑफर किया कि सर आप आ जाओ. You can click the document and you can share it with. मैं आपको शेयर नहीं कर पाऊंगा because I am not in that position. Neither will the Chandak guys will share it over the mail or the WhatsApp.
No,
why? आपको आके हार्ड कॉपी देंगे. You can click the picture as well. बट ठीक है, और आपको बुकिंग भी नहीं करना है. मैं तो आपको ये भी बोल रहा हूँ कि आप, आई विल टेल यू दिस ऑल्सो, दे विल ओनली शो द डॉक्यूमेंट्स व्हेन दे आर श्योर दैट द पर्सन इज गिविंग द बुकिंग चेक, और उसके पहले सब डॉक्यूमेंट्स दिखाएंगे. बट मैं आपको ये भी ऑफर कर रहा हूँ,
दैट इज नॉट हाउ इट शुड बी. इट शुड नॉट बी कंडीशनल ऑन बुकिंग एट ऑल.
व्हाट आई एम ऑफरिंग यू इज, आप आ जाओ, मैं आपको डॉक्यूमेंट दिखाऊंगा, क्लिक द पिक्चर्स, यू गो बैक, you verify everything. Only once you're satisfied you can come again and फिर जो भी है, नहीं भी करना है बुकिंग तो भी it's okay.
नहीं, that's
but
okay.
I can only, so this is what it is sir. अभी आप देख लीजिए, if you want to can spare a couple of hours, एक बार आके आप देख लीजिए सर.
ठीक है. नहीं, I don't want to spare a couple of hours. Okay.
ठीक है, no problem.
Okay. चलो, thank you.
Yeah. Bye. You're welcome sir. Bye.